Hi there, thank you for watching this tutorial on creating a customer quote with OpenRoad. Quoting with OpenRoad is quick and easy, helping you save valuable time. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your agent portal account and start a quote. You'll then arrive at this screen, where you'll enter in all the applicant's personal information. After that, we'll gather a bit more information, such as their current collector vehicle insurance provider and whether they belong to any car clubs. These questions are essential as they will allow us to apply discounts to your client's premium. Now you'll start entering the vehicle details. We've made this process super easy to navigate. Use the drop-downs to select the specific vehicle. If you don't see the exact submodel, don't worry. Just select the closest option and reach out to our agency success team for help narrowing down to the appropriate submodel. Next, you'll need to enter in the agreed value for the vehicle, which represents the amount settled upon in the event of a total loss. On this next screen, let us know if the vehicle has had any critical modifications that we should be aware of. You'll then need to answer a few questions regarding the vehicle's ownership, history, and also some details around how the vehicle is used. Once all those steps have been completed, you'll arrive here, the vehicle summary. This is also where you can add additional vehicles to the quote. Just follow the same steps you used for vehicle 1. Next, you'll arrive at the driver summary section. This screen allows you to add any additional household drivers to the quote. You'll now need to enter the vehicle's VIN. If your vehicle does not have a VIN, use the same unique ID number that was used to register the vehicle. Once all those steps have been completed, you'll arrive at the premium summary page. From here, you can edit different aspects of the quoted coverage. The premium summary page also provides full pricing transparency, including details around all the coverages included in the quote and the specific cost breakdown. It also outlines what discounts have been applied. To secure that rate and save the quote, just click Finish and Buy. If the quote is approved, you'll see this confirmation screen and also receive an email confirmation. The emailed quote confirmation is a great way to share the quote details with your client, and the included link can be used to complete payment. If more information is needed, our underwriting team will reach out to you within 1 to 2 business days to address those items. But if you need a faster response, please feel free to give us a call and chat with one of our representatives. From here, you can easily proceed to payment, or if you prefer, just click the cancel button and use the link in the email for payment instead, whichever is easiest for you. If you choose to go ahead with the payment, you'll be guided to pick your preferred payment option and enter in your payment details. But once payment is successfully processed, you're all set and your client is fully covered on the OpenRoad. If you have any questions, please reach out to our agency success team. We're always here to help.